Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme C33 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's find the display. Now we have to find this lock display option, and as you can see, we've got screen timeout. So here we've got some options from which we can choose. We can set either 15 or 30 seconds, which are kind of short options, or 1 to 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Currently we've got 1 minute option applied. As you can see, this option is marked, so we can change it just by tapping on another option. So let me pick 5 minutes, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here. It is marked, and it is notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So basically that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Realme C33. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.